myself, William Kimberley, and Adrian Shepherd, Managing Director of Titan. Now, Adrian, Titan will bring back memories of racing cars to many people, but of course nowadays it's evolved into a high-precision engineering company. Perhaps you could tell me a little bit more about that, please.
Yes, the company's been around for nearly 50 years. We have our Golden Jubilee in 2015. But over the years we have, as well as motorsport, serviced the automotive business principally, and really we're involved in production of parts for chassis, suspension, engine, precision components at the top end of the automotive market.
And this is in addition to the motorsport market, which I imagine is still fundamental and key to what you do?
Yes, yes indeed. And steering racks, limited differentials, a whole variety of other engine parts with customers ranging from very small individuals and teams up to major players in the market.
And of course, one thing about Titan, it always has an exciting range of products, but you've introduced a new range a couple of weeks ago at the BMW show in Cologne. Perhaps you could tell us more about that, please.
Yes, we've introduced a new range of throttle bodies, and we showed 16 of the 20 that we launched at the show, and the impact was considerable. It was a real wow factor. The major reason being that we've introduced a very low weight carbon trumpet to the throttle, which reduces the weight significantly from an aluminium trumpet.
That's a significant development for a company like Titan. Tell me what drove the development. Was it customers or feedback from customers or potential customers? Or tell me about the development, please.
Well, our sales team and our design office got together and took a look at the way that we felt the market was changing. So we've produced a range that really has high impact, both in terms of performance and look and feel. And the stand was absolutely swamped at the show with a number of people who were just intrigued to see what we'd done with the product.
Now, you talk about a design office, Adrian. Again, so obviously you're more than just a manufacturing company. You do design and develop products unique to yourself, then, I take it?
Yes, we produce a range of Titan products, and we design for prototype and for production runs depending on the requirement that we get. And that goes through the quality process, it goes through the manufacturing process, perhaps with some additional coatings or finishes added to a product, and then we often assemble parts at the end to produce a finished product for the customer.
Now, you're a well-known name in motorsport circles for the products and, as I say, for your heritage as well. How about internationally? You are exhibiting in the German show in Cologne. Does it imply you're looking for overseas sales, or are you well represented there?
It's an area of significant growth for us. We've had consistently good business in France, Germany and Italy over the years, as well as the UK. We're trying to develop our US business as well at the moment, and so Cologne is just the right place to be.
Okay. And as you said, the reaction to your products was is overwhelming, I think you said. Is that something you're now going to build on?
Yes, the range of throttles is the first of several new Titan products that you'll see in 2014. And the one thing that will bond them together is the quality and the thinking that goes into the product range.
And talking of quality control, do you have ISO, or is that not necessary, or do you have any other certifications?
Yes, we have an ISO certification that we've had for some years, and we're working towards AS and TS certification as well. But the quality system that we have is very thorough, and it goes well beyond the formality of the quality, and a lot of it is about the commitment of people. I was in a couple of Saturdays ago talking to one of the machinists whose son plays football on a Saturday, and he had given that up to be in, but his attitude was absolutely perfect. And it's about making good product at the right time to sharp customer demand.
And that's interesting, working on a Saturday, so obviously business is good.
We've had a phenomenal October and November, which in itself has caused its own issues because the volume of work has really been equivalent to about 3 months' work in 2 months. So dealing with something like that is, I think, is what does set us apart. It's how you handle those sorts of situations and how you respond to them. And we're not through it yet, but we've come through a very high peak pretty well.
That's good to hear, Adrian. Adrian, thank you very much indeed for this interview and for Racetech TV. This is William Kimberley saying thank you for joining us.
Thank you.